G'day fans, Aaron from Bootstock. Quick overview today of the long splash plates. They've been tried, proven, tested. Plenty of people run them, plenty of people love them. So we all know I started with the short splash plate on this version for the 20s and 25s, and it worked fantastic. And everyone wanted a bigger version, so I made this wonderful setup. These have been tested, many cars with high boost, stops a lot of oil ended up in the catch can. These run pretty much the whole length of the camshaft, captures oil off the cam, drives oil back down the head, reducing airborne activity coming off the cam, meaning it doesn't end up in the catch can. Oil in the catch can means unhappy RB. So everyone seems to be loving these so much and they're screwing more boost into making more power. I've had to lift my game a little bit. So this is what's happened. So in order to stop even more oil, I've forwarded the plate on the very front and picked up the front camshaft bearings off the studs, and that covers the thrust bearing on the cam, stops a lot of oil, and I've dropped the sides down into the head cavity. Dropping them down further reduces even more oil getting airborne, reducing oil out the catch can obviously. It just drives it down, makes it work so much more efficiently. So for those guys who keep screwing more and more boost into these things and making more and more horsepower, through a bit of innovation, a bit of design, I keep looking for answers to solve your problems. To fix these to the engine, I like to bolt them on. I run a flat washer and a standard nut. I run a medium strength Loctite on the nut just so it doesn't back out and cause engine damage. This particular kit is a Tommy stud kit. You can run the Nissan studs. The numbers are on the website. So some guys prefer the Nissan studs, some prefer the Tommy. Doesn't bother me. They both work for this part of the equation. So the original plate is a great piece of gear, and it's been out for well over a year now, and it's fixed a lot of problems for a lot of guys. And I've upped the game, made a new, better, badder, meaner design, and it works fantastic. Innovation through design. Look up Bootstock, find yours on the website. Thanks guys, see ya.